بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Dear teacher, guest, and my dear friend, first of all, I wish you very happy Independence Day, and I would like to thank you all for giving me this wonderful opportunity to speak about this proud day. India became independent from the British rule on 15 August 1947. Since then, every year we are celebrating Independence Day on 15th August. As India completed 76 years, we are celebrating Azadi. We should always proud to be an Indian. We should never forget the sacrifices of all the freedom fighters such as Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar, Maulana Shaukat Ali, Ashfaq Ullah Khan, and millions of others whose names are not even known, but they fought to make India free from the British rule. So, my dear brothers and sisters, let's celebrate this Independence Day and love our country. Happy Independence Day.